Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, in today's sessions, we are going to learn a very powerful concept in Excel, compound if formula. This is an advanced level concept, so watch this video carefully till the end. Guys, what is compound if? Compound if means applying multiple conditions together to get one result. For example, if age is above 50 and result is pass, only then give 10,000. So here we are checking two conditions at the same time. Guys, some important operators you must know. Before we start, let me explain three important operators. First one is AND operator. Guys, AND operator needs both conditions true. If A is greater than 50 and result pass, will get bonus. If any one is false, no bonus. Second one is OR operator. Guys, OR operator, any one conditions true. OR operator needs any one conditions true. For example, if age is greater than 50 or result pass, will get bonus. Even if no one is true, will get bonus. Third one is NOT operator. Guys, NOT operator reverse the conditions. If something is true, it makes it false. If false, it makes it true. So now let's apply practically. We will use if plus AND operator. Now type equal if, open the bracket, and choose AND operator, open the bracket. Now select a cell, write conditions greater than 50, then comma, choose result cell, type equal, and write pass under double quotes. Close the bracket. If both true, give 10,000, else 0. Now close the bracket and press enter. Now double click the corner to apply formula to all rows. Guys, you will see only those who are above greater than 50 and pass get bonus. Other get 0. Now let's try OR operator. Type equal if, bracket open, and choose OR operator, bracket open. Now select a cell, write conditions greater than 50, then comma, select result cell, type equal, write pass under double quotes. Close the bracket, comma, 10,000, comma, 0. Close the bracket and press enter. And double click at corner to fill all rows. Guys, see the differences? And strict conditions, both must be true. OR operator, flexible conditions, and even true works. That's why in OR, more people get bonus. So guys, in this sessions, you learn compound formula, AND operator, strict conditions, and OR operator, flexible condition, real life Excel logic. Guys, important tip, practice is must. Without practice, formulas won't stay in your mind. Now tell me in the comment box which operator is easier, AND or. Where will you use this formula? And guys, if you want to become Excel expert plus job ready, like the video and share with your friends and subscribe to DataDesk Pro. See you in the next powerful sessions. Thank you so much.